in this lesson, we're going to be solving this problem. So we're given that f of x is equal to sine x. So here we are required to show that f of x plus h minus f of x over h can be written as this thing here. So this expression here is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So basically what you have to do here, they are given f of x. Now if f of x is given as sine x, let's say for example I want to find f of 10. F of 10 will be equal to sine 10. So basically you have to replace the x that you see here with the independent x that you see on the right side. Similarly, if I want f of y, this is going to be equal to sine y. So basically you have to replace where you see x with what should be on the space of x. So if f of x is equal to sine x, if I replace the x here with x plus h, even here I multiply this x with x plus h. But now if you look inside in your expression, okay, before we even do that, let's go ahead and substitute into this formula here. So f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h will be equal to sine of x plus h minus sine x divided by h. Now I'm given an identity here, a trigonometric identity, sine x plus h. So how can I split that? Well, we know that sine a plus b is equal to sine a, right, cos b, and then here we're going to have plus, it is sine a cos b, and then that cos a sine b. So this will be your trigonometric identity which you have to use. So if I replace the a with the x and the b with the h, what I get is sine x plus h is equal to sine x cos h plus cos x sine h, right? So this will be the expression for sine x plus h. So I'm going to take this part here, which is sine x plus h, and I'm going to put it here, right? So if we do that, I'm going to have sine x cos h, right, plus cos x sine h minus sine x. So everything is being divided by h there, right? So now if we can check in these two terms here, we have a common factor of sine x and also have sine x in that one. So this means that I can take out sine x as a common factor. So if I do that, I'm going to have sine x, then I'll be left with cos h minus 1, right? And then plus cos x sine h, then everything is being divided by h, right? So now what you see here is that I can split this fraction, right, into sine x multiplied by cos h minus 1 divided by h plus cos x multiplied by sine of h divided by h. And we get what we are supposed to prove. So basically what you have to do here is just to identify that your independent variable is x. If I replace x with x plus h, even in this function, I have to replace x with x plus h. Then after doing that, you have to expand this identity, sine x plus h, which should be sine x cos h plus cos x sine h. And from there, you will be able to simplify, adding like terms, and this is the answer that we end up with. So this is what you're supposed to do in this question. Thank you for watching.